स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम कुछ और क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो हार्ट-ऑन के एससीटीसी एग्ज़ाम के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि मैं आपको जो लेटेस्ट क्वेश्चन हैं उनसे इंट्रोड्यूस करवाती रहूँ। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, Which of the following is a phase of compilation process? Options हैं हमारे A lexical analysis, option B code generation, option C both of the above, option D static analysis. Which of the following is a phase of compilation process? और इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है both of the above, ऑप्शन नंबर C इसका करेक्ट आंसर है। लेक्सिकल एनालिसिस एंड कोड जनरेशन जो है वो प्रोसेस है कंपाइलेशन का। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज यूजर फ्रेंडली सिस्टम आर। ऑप्शंस आर ए रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग, ऑप्शन बी इजी टू डेवलप, ऑप्शन सी कॉमन अमंग ट्रेडिशनल मेन फ्रेम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स, ऑप्शन डी बिकमिंग मोर कॉमन। यूजर फ्रेंडली सिस्टम्स आर, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी बिकमिंग मोर कॉमन। इसका करेक्ट आंसर यूजर फ्रेंडली सिस्टम आर बिकमिंग मोर कॉमन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, next question is semaphores synchronize. Options are A critical resources to prevent deadlock, option B synchronize critical resource to prevent contention, option C are used to do input output, option D are used for memory management. Semaphores synchronize, ऑप्शन ए इसका करेक्ट आंसर है क्रिटिकल रिसोर्स टू प्रिवेंट डेडलॉक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फोर्थ जो क्वेश्चन है हमारा वो है ब्लॉक और बफर कैचेज आर। ऑप्शंस आर ए टू इम्प्रूव डिस्क परफॉर्मेंस, ऑप्शन बी टू हैंडल इंटरप्ट्स, ऑप्शन सी टू इंक्रीज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ मेन मेमोरी, ऑप्शन डी टू स्पीड अप मेन मेमोरी एंड रीड ऑपरेशंस। Block and buffer caches are used. Option A is correct answer to improve disk performance. Next question. Question number 5 है हमारा, Trashing can be avoided if options are A the pages belonging to the working set of the programs are in main memory, option B the speed of CPU is increased, option C the speed of input output processor is increased, option D all of the above. Thrashing can be avoided. Option A is correct answer. The pages belonging to the working set of programs are in main memory. Thrashing can be avoided if the pages belonging to the working set of the programs are in main memory is correct answer. Next question. Our sixth question is the proactive of bundling refers to options A selling computers alone, option B selling peripheral devices with computer, option C selling software to run on computers, option D giving away software with a computer purchase. The proactive of bundling refers to option number D is correct answer, giving away software with a computer purchase. The proactive of bundling refers to option D, answer correct है, giving away software with the computer purchase. Next question. राउंड रॉबिन शेड्यूलिंग, सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन है हमारा, राउंड रॉबिन शेड्यूलिंग और ऑप्शंस हैं इसके ए allows interactive task quicker access to the processor, option B is quite complex to implement, Option C gives each task the same chance at the processor. Option D allows processor bound tasks more time in the processor. Round robin scheduling gives each task the same chance at the processor. Round robin scheduling, option C is correct answer, give each task the same chance at the. Question number 8 is dividing a project into segments and smaller units in order to simplify the analysis, design and programming efforts is known as. ऑप्शन ए है मॉड्यूलर अप्रोच, ऑप्शन बी इज टॉप डाउन अप्रोच, ऑप्शन सी बॉटम अप अप्रोच, ऑप्शन डी लेफ्ट राइट अप्रोच. Dividing a project into segments and smaller units in order to simplify the analysis, design and programming efforts is known as top down approach. Option B is correct answer. Next question. Question number 9th is system maintenance. Option A is usually not necessary. Option B is necessary on all systems regardless or how good. Option C is not required if the system is well written. Option D always requires several programs. System maintenance, option B is correct answer, is necessary on all systems regardless of how good. Next question. Question number 10th is a geographical menu driven operating system allows you to pick up from the menu of choices fit display on the screen. What is the name given to the images which are used in such image oriented menus? Options are A figure, option B symbol, option C icon, and option D model. A graphical menu driven operating system allows you to pick up from the menu of choices fit displays on the screen. What is the name given to the images which are used in such image oriented menus? Option C is correct answer. Icon is correct answer. 11th question is which of the following commands is used to list contents of directories? Options are A slash S, option B slash P, option C dir, option D tar. Which of the following commands is used to list contents of directories? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए स्लैश एस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 12th क्वेश्चन हमारा. What is true about machine language? Options are A. It is understood by the computer. Option B. It varies from one model of computer to another. Option C. It may always be represented by binary numbers. Option D. All of the above. What is true about machine language? So all of the above are true about machine language. It is understood by the computer. It varies from one model of computer to another. It may always be represented by binary numbers. तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 13th. The first popular microcomputer operating system developed around 1974 is. Option are A. PC DOS, option B. MS DOS, option C. Apple DOS, option D. CP/M. The first popular microcomputer operating system developed around 1974 is. Option number C is correct answer, Apple DOS. Next question. Next question is a computer program written into a storage medium from which it cannot be accidentally erased is called A. Software, B. Operating system, C. Firmware, option D. ROM. A computer program written into a storage medium from which it cannot be accidentally erased is called. Option number C is firmware. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15th is DOS is options are A software, option B a hardware, option C a data organization system, option D none of the above. DOS is इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए अ सॉफ्टवेयर. DOS is a software. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 16th क्वेश्चन है हमारा. अ proprietary operating system can run on machines made by. Options are A different vendors, option B a specific vendor, option C IBM only, option D none of the above. A proprietary operating system can run on machines made by a specific vendor. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट आंसर. Seventeenth question is the relationship between operating system software and application software is that. Options are A application software monitors, option B operating system monitors application software, option C application software and operating system work independently, option D the relationship depends upon kind of operating system and application software. The relationship between operating system software and application software is that operating system monitors application software. Option B is correct answer. Eighteenth question is a operating system designed to run on only one family of computer is called. Options are A PC DOS, option B CPM disk, option C operating system, option D proprietary operating system. An operating system designed to run on only one family of computer is called. Option D proprietary operating system is correct answer. Next question. Question number 19th is what is the operating system used by Macintosh computers? Options are A System 7.0, option B AU/X, option C Unix, option D either A or B. What is the operating system used by Macintosh computers? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है either A or B. Next question. Question number 20th is microcomputer operating system are generally. Options are A copy protected, option B not loaded into the ROM by hardware manufacturers, option C easily available in the market, option D all of the above. Microcomputer operating systems are generally. Option number D is correct answer. All of the above are correct. Next question. Next question है what is true about assembly language? Options are A it uses symbolic code, option B it does not vary from one type of computer to another, option C it uses binary numbers, option D none of the above. Which is true about assembly language? Option number A is correct. It uses symbolic codes. Option A is correct answer. Next question. हमारा जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आज का वो है with reference to Windows a DDL is. Options are A distribution level library, option B dynamic link library, option C dedicated link library, option D distributed library LAN. With reference to Windows, a DDL is dynamic link library. With reference to Windows, a DDL is option B is correct answer, dynamic link library. तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के ये क्वेश्चंस यहीं पे ख़त्म होते हैं. आप मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए, जिससे कि मैं आपके लिए न्यू क्वेश्चंस है जो जल्द से जल्द अपलोड कर सकूं. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय चैनल.